Welcome back. In this lecture, we learn about Hive queries and also we will see the similarities and dissimilarities between SQL and HQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, whereas HQL stands for Hive Query Language. When it comes to Hive queries, they are quite similar to SQL queries. When using Hive, you access metadata about schema and tables by executing statements written in HiveQL. Surprisingly, these metadata statements are quite similar to what you see in SQL world. Look at the statements for selecting database, listing databases, listing tables, describing, creating databases in Hive, and how they are similar to what you see in SQL world. There are three ways to describe a table in Hive. To see table primary info of Hive table, use describe table. The describe formatted variation displays additional information. The extra information includes low-level details such as whether the table is internal or external, when it was created, the file format, the location of the data in HDFS, whether the object is a table or a view, and for views, the text of the query from the view definition. To see code in a clean manner, use describe formatted table name. So this is a command to see all information, also describe all details in a clean manner. You can also run Hive queries from command line. There are various ways to execute Hive queries from command line. Look at the examples here. Like if you want to run some Hive queries in silent mode, you can specify -s -e option on the terminal. You can also set Hive config variables when running queries from command line. If you want to run Hive queries through SQL file, you can specify -f option and the file name on the terminal. Hive provides a lot of capabilities when you are in the Hive shell. You can run a script within Hive shell using source command as shown here in the example. You can list files from HDFS using dfs command. If you want to list files from home directory, you can run ls command. You can use set command for configuration variables. You can run set hive.tab command for auto completion in Hive shell. One can reset all variables using reset command within Hive shell. You can add jars, list jars, delete jars from Hive shell. Hive queries are almost similar to SQL queries. Look at the queries here. Selecting columns or to find distinct values, doing order by operation or join operation. There are limitations in Hive queries which we'll see in our next lectures. Also, we will see these queries in action in our Hive demo lecture. That's all for this lecture. Go and practice what you have learned today.